35 years have gone by since that day, but I still remember everything clearly. We were sitting at our dining table when my father said, "We will call it Azzetta Pneumatica, because we will manufacture pneumatic equipment from A to Z." To us, the name Azzetta Pneumatica has a twofold meaning, from the aluminium bar manufacturing to the finished product, and the full range of pneumatic equipment from A to Z, in order to solve our clients' problems by means of an effective customization.
The valve has always been at the core of Azzetta Pneumatica's production. Within the industry, the valve is regarded as a highly advanced technological product, and many companies come to us and specifically request our valves, as these are clearly our flagship. Within the domestic market, we work with standard products, but we often work also with special customized products, which are designed together with the client in order to solve typical issues that standard products fail to address. In-house design, prototyping and manufacturing allow us to develop and deliver the product according to the client's guidelines in just a few days. After completing a 3D design by means of a 3D printer, we print in resin all the special components necessary to assemble the valve. When they receive the prototype, clients can test it directly on their machine. As soon as we receive the client's approval for production, we take the design right down to our workshop. We know that the client has already carried out a test and that the prototype works. Therefore, the production is given the green light and can proceed to the retail stage.
Our aim is not just to create a product that works, but rather to create a product that exceeds customer expectations. Made in Italy does not simply indicate that everything is produced in Italy. It also stands for research and for the constant pursuit of quality. It is our corporate philosophy. The standard production is carried out by means of technologically advanced machines that can work 24/7, thus allowing us to offer competitive prices on the market, as well as a consistent quality assurance throughout production. These machines are slightly more complicated to program compared to those we used to have. However, once they have been programmed, the working times are reduced, while the production capacity is increased. Moreover, the machine is able to run also on Saturdays and Sundays without operator control. In any case, we know that we can always rely on our staff in the workshop or in the assembly section, as well as on our engineers. This means that we always have someone to cover our back, which I believe is the essential requirement to ensure a company's future.
We have so many dear memories. It all started with my husband's initiative and wish to develop some micro-valves based on his original design for a client from Padua, whom we still serve today. We have always been working conscientiously and with great honesty, and this approach has proved successful over time. It was not just a matter of luck then, but a process requiring high skills and hard work. I was once asked, "How many children do you have?" We had 35 employees back then, and so I replied, "I have 35 children."
I have a mechanical operator diploma. As soon as I finished school, I was invited for a few job interviews, one of which took place here with Mr. Marini, who asked me, "Do you want to work?" And I said, "Yes, of course I do." So the next day, my adventure at Azzetta Pneumatica began. 10 years have passed since then, and I'm still here working for them. I started working with a small drilling machine, and now I program the latest generation computerized machine tools.
Well, I've been working here for 19 years. Years which have been characterized by constant change. The company has always been very dynamic, always wanting to do more and better. And this attitude also ended up influencing us, the employees, motivating us to do the same. Their atmosphere here has always been pleasant and serene, and the owners have always been understanding. They always make you feel like a valuable individual rather than just as an employee like any other.
Business is people. There's no doubt about that. Good business is only possible with the right people. For as much as a company may invest in technology or in machines that allow to reduce production costs, etc., at the end of the day, machines are nothing but tools. Tools operated by people. Only if you put together a strong team will you be able to achieve results.
We are proud to say that our products are 200% tested. Testing is not randomized, but is performed twice on each single piece of the lot. In Indeed, the first assembly stage is carried out by means of an automatic machine, while the second assembly stage is performed manually. And at both stages, we carry out a proof test. This way, we can guarantee that, when they come out of our factory, our pieces are fully compliant with the industry's requirements, in terms of both reliability and durability. Quality, experience and innovation. This is what Made in Italy really means to us.